Welcome. Today, let's explore how you can easily save a pin on the Pinterest app using your PC with the latest update. Whether you want to keep inspiring ideas, recipes, or DIY projects, saving a pin is quick and helps you organize your favorite content seamlessly. First, open your Pinterest app on your PC and make sure you're on the home page. Here, you will see a stream of pins curated based on your interests and recent activity. Take your time to scroll through the feed and find the pin that catches your eye, the one you want to save for future reference. Once you locate that perfect pin, click on it to open it in full view. This expands the pin so you can see all the details and options available. Here, your next step is to find the Save button, which is typically placed near the top right or just below the pin image. Click the Save button. When you do this, you might be prompted to select a board to save the pin to. A board on Pinterest is like a folder where you group similar pins together. If you already have boards created, simply choose the one that fits the theme of your pin. If you don't have a suitable board, Pinterest also gives you the option to create a new board right then and there. After selecting or creating your board, Pinterest also gives you the option to create a new board right then and there. After selecting or creating your board, click Save again to confirm. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know your pin has been saved successfully. That's it. You've just added the pin to your collection, and you can revisit it anytime by going to that board. Saving pins on Pinterest helps you keep your ideas organized and accessible, especially when you're planning projects, parties, or just collecting inspiration. With this simple and updated process on the PC app, managing your Pinterest has never been easier. Now that you know how to save pins with the new update on your PC, go ahead and start building your perfect collection.